Guys, let's quickly look at phagocytosis by leukocyte. All right. Basically, how the leukocytes can also phagocytose or engulf and break down all those microorganisms that tend to actually attack the body. So, first of all, we just use this picture for illustration before we look at the very short notes that we have for this purpose. For phagocytosis in leukocyte, we have entrapment. All right, then that's, let's say the microorganism was a bacterium, so to be entrapped. After it is entrapped, there's formation of a phagosome. Okay, the microorganism will go into the white blood cell, right? Then when there's a formation of phagosomes, the next thing there will be degradation. All right, it will try to break down the microorganism. All right, then after it has broken down the microorganism, there will be exocytosis. That's what there will be release of the microorganism back. All right, so phagocytosis and release of enzymes by the neutrophils and macrophages are responsible for eliminating injurious agents, and thus it constitutes two of the major benefits which are derived from the accumulation of leukocytes at inflammatory focus. All right, so if there's inflammation, basically there's the leukocytes will be accumulated there. All right, so now when the leukocytes are accumulated there, this is one of their benefits. Okay, they tend to engulf the microorganism, causing the inflammation, degrading it, and releasing it back. Okay, so phagocytosis involves three distinct but interrelated steps. First of all, there will be recognition and attachment of the particle to be ingested by the leukocyte. All right, so first of all, the leukocyte has to recognize the particle that is to be ingested. That, okay, this particle is actually a microorganism and will actually cause harm to the individual. Do you understand? So when it recognizes it, it will ingest the leukocyte. All right. So now it's engulfment with subsequent formation of a phagocytic vacuole. All right. So now there's engulfment. Okay, engulfment or entrapment. All right. And there's formation of a phagocytic vacuole, which is also known as a phagosome. All right. The next there will be what? Killing. That's what we have under degradation. The killing or degradation of the ingested material. Okay, so the process of phagocytosis, you see it, attract the microorganism or pathogen, all right, engulf it, formation of a phagosome, then to degrade it. Okay, once it's degraded, it will be released back into the environment. Okay, so this is basically how the leukocyte um, this is how the leukocyte, right? These are the steps in which the leukocyte actually phagocytose microorganisms. All right, so see you guys pretty soon.